Welcome to this training on the Consumer Contracts Regulations 2013 that came into effect on the 13th of June 2014, and hopefully by now you've had a chance to watch the first video that was all about the right to cancel and the second video that was about information requirements. This is video 3, and in this video we're going to be talking about additional charges. Now there's two main areas that are covered in this video. The first is express consent for additional payments, and the second is that telephone helplines must be charged at a basic rate. Just want to remind you who I am. My name is Suzanne Dibble and I'm a multi-award winning business law expert. I am Richard Branson's former lawyer, and I worked at the largest law firm in the world doing multi-million pound global mergers and acquisitions. So the first point is that you must obtain express consent to any additional payments, and that means no pre-ticked boxes. So that's for things like faster delivery, insurance, gift wrapping. If perhaps you have a £3 extra for gift wrapping and you have it pre-ticked on your order form, that will be in breach of the legislation. You can have a tick box, but it needs to be not pre-ticked, so that there has to be express consent shown from the customer to those additional payments. Now, if you don't get the express consent of the customer, then you must reimburse them. Now, if you do have a pre-tick box for your newsletters, that's still okay, because a free newsletter presuming it's free, a free newsletter is fine. It's if there's a payment that these regulations come into play. For telephone helplines, you mustn't charge more than the simple cost of connection, and if you do, then you must refund the difference in price to the customer. Well, what is a helpline? The guidance says that where you offer a telephone line that allows a customer to contact you if there's a problem with a product already purchased, or to exercise cancellation rights, then it must be at basic rate. And basic rate includes UK geographic numbers that begin with 01, 02, 03, etc. Free numbers such as 0800 numbers and 0808 numbers, and it also includes UK mobile numbers. But it does not include premium rate numbers that begin with, for example, 09, revenue sharing numbers such as 084, 0871, 0872, or 0870 numbers. Now, you don't have to provide a helpline, but if you do, then it needs to comply with these regulations. Now, if you offer a technical support line, you can still charge more than the simple cost of connection, provided that it's a discrete service and provided that you make it clear that there is an additional payment. Now, again, if you don't comply with the law, then you can be on the receiving end of a private action for breach of contract, or you can face an investigation and then enforcement by a regulatory authority. So do be wary of that and put all the protections that you need into place. So what can you do now? Well, as ever, there are 3 things that you can do. It actually says watch the next video. There isn't another video, but you can certainly go over them again and try and work out what you should do next. Or you can go for the easy option, which is to buy the template terms that I'm making available with these training videos. And for more details on those, then do just look at the emails that have sent the links to these training videos to you. If you want bespoke terms drafting for you, that might be if you've got a business that has quite specific circumstances or unusual items that you're selling, and you want to know that you are 100% protected and that you have personalised terms for your business, then do get in touch and we can discuss me drafting those for you. So if you want to buy the template terms or get in touch about the bespoke terms, then either look at the emails that sent you this video or you can go to my website www.suzannedibble.com/selling online. If you have any questions at all about this content, then please do just email me at support@suzannedibble.com and I will be very pleased to help you. Hope this video series has been useful. All the very, very best.